Here's how to make your budgies. Here's how to make your budgies sing in just 1 month. Step 1. Let him listen to some musics. Let him listen to my musics, and that's the thing right there. That's the toad. Okay, and keep for at least 7 months. Then and play the same song to your parrot. Make sure he's unaware. He's very aware. And then after keeping him for 1 month, after playing this specific song for 1 month, you can sing the song to him. Like, please get close. Please get close. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Stay where you are, so I can sing to you. I'm teaching people. I'm teaching people. Be careful. Okay, let's start. Teddy, 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 Teddy. It doesn't seem to work much until you kept repeating it. Maybe your bird will actually sing it or just rhyme. Teddy, 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 Teddy. Okay, that's it for the day. And to make your budgie sing, you need some gently push him to the corner. You're okay. You're not getting eaten. Okay, stop biting me. Stay where I put you. Okay. Okay. I'm not abusing you. Firstly, and most important part is get really close to him. Teddy, 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 Teddy. Okay, this doesn't seem to work unless it's fast. Gartenfield out.